Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about how to use technology to learn English. Let's dive into today's video. There are a lot of people are trying to learn English language by using technology in a good way, and you should definitely do that. You should definitely use technology in a good way to learn English language. You are going to improve your English language by using technology. Technology will give you a lot of advantages to learn English language. 20 years ago, 25 years ago, it was really difficult to learn English language because we didn't have a lot of options back in the time. But nowadays, if you can use the technology in a good way, there are a lot of great options that you can learn English language easily. Technology will definitely make it easier for you to learn English language. All you have to do is just know how to use technology in a good way to learn English language. If you want to make your practicing with the native speakers, it is really easy to find them on the internet, and you can start making your practicing with the native speakers. There are a lot of great applications that you can find on the internet, and you can download to your phone, and you can start making your practicing with the native speakers. It is really easy to find native speakers on the internet, and this way you will be able to start making your practicing with them every single day. If you want to make your practicing with the native speakers, you should definitely use technology, and you can find a lot of great people from all around the world, and you can start making your practicing with them. Practicing is really important to improve your English language. If you are making your listening studying, if you are making your reading studying, and if you can't make your practicing, you cannot learn English language, because practicing is really important to learn English language. If you don't make practicing with the native speakers, you won't be able to speak English language. Every time you try to speak with them, it will get easier for you to speak English language. First time it was gonna be really hard for you to speak with the native speakers, but when you do this regularly, it will become so easier for you to speak with the native speakers. First time when you are making your practicing with the people, it will be really difficult for you to understand them when they are speaking with you. But anytime you try to speak with them, when you do this regularly, it will become so easier for you to speak with the people. It will become so easier for you to understand them, what are they talking to you. So all you have to do is just try to make your practicing by using technology every single day. You have to do this regularly. You have to stay consistent about it. When you are making your practicing with the native speakers, you are going to learn a lot of great new English words, and this way you are going to expand your English vocabulary. And when you expand your English vocabulary, it will be so easier for you to speak with the native speakers. When you are speaking with them, you are going to understand how they are pronounced the English words, and after you do this regularly, you will be able to start making your pronunciations correctly, and this way people will understand you when you are speaking English language with them. English language is really important. It's a worldwide language, and you should definitely learn this language. Practicing will make it easier for you. Every time you try to make your practicing with the native speakers, you are going to improve your English language and your English will get better anytime you try to make your practicing with the people. Technology will definitely help you to find a lot of different people from all around the world. Nowadays, people from all around the world are trying to use the technology to improve their English language, and you should also do that. You should definitely use technology in a good way to find people from all around the world, and you can start making your practicing with them. When you are making your practicing with the people from all around the world, you will be able to make a lot of new friends and you are going to learn about their culture. If you have a plan to visit another countries in the future, English language will definitely help you to visit another countries easily. If you know how to speak this language, it will be so easier for you to visit another countries. For example, if you are trying to visit another countries, when you go there, you can explain yourself to the people. When you have some problems, it will be so easier for you to communicate with people and tell them about your problems. But if you don't know English language, when you visit another countries, it will be so difficult for you to communicate with people. Nowadays, we have a lot of options to learn English language easily. Technology is a great resource for us to learn English language. You have to be smart about it and you have to use technology in a good way to improve your English language. Technology will definitely help you to making your practicing with the people easily. If you can use the technology in a good way, you will be able to find people from all around the world and you can start making your practicing with them every single day. You have to do this regularly, and when the time goes, it will be so easier for you to make your practicing with the people. Technology will definitely help you to learn English language easily. If you want to make your listening studying, technology will definitely help you with that. I highly recommend you to use YouTube as your resources if you are making your listening studying. Listening studying is really important to improve your English language. Anytime you are making your listening studying, you are going to learn great new English words. You are going to learn new English phrases, and this way you will be able to expand your English vocabulary, and after you expand your vocabulary, it will be so easier for you to make your practicing with the native speakers, and it will be so easier for you to understand everything what are they talking about in the videos. When you are making your listening studying, you should definitely watch English movies, English TV shows, or you should definitely follow the native speakers who has YouTube channels. YouTube is a great resource for you to make your listening studying. On YouTube, there are a lot of great channels that you can find and you can follow them and you can start to listening to their videos. There are a lot of native speakers who has YouTube channels. If you can follow their channels, it will be so easier for you to make your listening studying. Anytime you listen to their videos, you are going to learn different information about English language. YouTube will definitely help you to improve your English language. When you are listening to the people on YouTube, you are going to learn different information about English language, and you have to do this regularly. Even if you have a busy day, at least try to listen to these videos 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day. When you do this consistently, you are going to improve your English language. All you have to do is just give it some time and everything is going to be great for you. You are going to learn English language. You are going to improve your English language. Listening, studying will definitely help you to improve your English language. Don't forget to make your listening, studying every single day. Practicing is really important, but listening is also important. When you finish your listening, studying, you should definitely start making your reading, studying. Reading English books is really important to improve your English language. When you have free time, you should definitely start reading English books, or you can read English newspapers, or you can read English magazines or articles. This will definitely help you to improve your English language. Anytime you make your reading, studying, you are going to learn new English words, new English phrases, and this way you are going to expand your English vocabulary. After you expand your English vocabulary, it will be so easier for you to speak English language with the people. It will be so easier for you to understand everything when you are making your reading, studying. First time it was gonna be really hard for you to understand everything when you are reading your English books, but when the time goes, when you are making your reading, studying regularly, you are going to understand everything when you are making your reading, studying. It will become so easier for you to make your reading, studying. All you have to do is just be patient about it. Everything is going to be great for you and you are going to improve your English language. When you are making your reading, studying, don't forget to note new English words that you are learning by reading English books. Technology will definitely help you to learn English language. You have to know how to use technology in a good way to improve your English language. Technology will give you a lot of advantages to learn English language. You have to make your listening, studying, your reading, studying, and you have to make your practicing with the people every single day. Even if you have a busy life, try to make your studying 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day, and everything is going to be great for you. You will be able to improve your English language and you are going to learn this language. Just give it some time and everything is going to be great for you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will definitely help me to grow my channel. I'll see you guys in my another videos. Take care of yourself, everybody.